Let us learn about axiom 3.3 and axiom 3.4. So in the previous video, we learned about different kinds of pairs of angles that we find when we have a transversal intersecting two parallel lines. Now, in axiom 3.3, it states that if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles is equal, and these two axioms are also referred as corresponding angles axiom. We had axiom 3.2 and 3.1 as linear pair axioms. So these two axioms can be referred as corresponding angles axiom. Now, in the previous video, we saw that when we draw a transversal to the parallel lines, that is, when a transversal intersects two parallel lines, the corresponding angles are equal, and hence we arrived at axiom 3.3. Now let us see the converse of axiom 3.3, that is axiom 3.4. It states that if a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of corresponding angles is equal, then the two lines are parallel to each other. So this is the converse of axiom 3.3, that is axiom 3.4, which states that if a transversal intersects two lines such that the corresponding angles are equal, then the two lines must be parallel. So we have to prove that, and let us see how we can prove that. Draw a line AD and mark two points B and C. Now I want to draw two rays QB and SC such that the angle it forms are equal. So let me do that. First I'll mark the angle. So at C, I'll keep the protractor such that the point of intersection of 90 degrees and 0 degree or 180 degree line here, it coincides with point C, and let me draw at 70. So this is the point 70. Similarly, the angle over here, I want to draw 70. I'm so sorry. 70. This is ray QB and this is ray SC. Now I drew these two rays such a way that the angle ABQ and angle BCS, or if we take the right hand side angle DCS and angle CBQ are equal. So I drew in such a way that this angle is 70 degrees and this angle is 70 degrees. Now let me produce this line further downwards. And mark this as PQ and RS. So we see that the line PQ and RS do not intersect when it is produced downwards. And also, let us see what is the distance between these two lines. So it is around 5 centimeter over here. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter here. Let me just check if it is 5 centimeter here. So you can see that when we measure it at different perpendicular distance between these two lines, we get it as 5 centimeter again over here. Again, let me check if it is 5 centimeter here. So we see that these two lines are 5 centimeters apart when the perpendicular distance is measured between these two lines PQ and RS. Therefore, what we did was initially we drew two corresponding angles which are equal, and then when we produce the rays, we find out that the lines are parallel to each other. Therefore, it proves the axiom 3.4, that is, if a transversal intersects two lines such that the pair of corresponding angles is equal, if a transversal intersects two lines such that the pair of corresponding angles is equal, then the two lines are parallel to each other. The two lines are parallel to each other.